Hey guys, this is my veggie pizza I just made on this fine Super Bowl Sunday. So if you would like to see how I made this, then go ahead and keep watching. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more recipes, and give me a thumbs up if this looks amazing. Okay guys, I'm making the veggie pizza. Don't mind my voice. I lost my voice last night at Chuck E. Cheese. The recipe calls for 2 rolls of the crescent dough, but I just used one and just kind of spread it out. Like, it pretty much covers my whole cookie sheet. It's just me and Jay and Adria eating it anyway. So I went ahead and sprayed my baking sheet. I don't really know if you need to or not, but I did just in case. So when I cut it, it'll come up easy. And you pinch together the seams. And I just preheated my oven to 375. Now this is going to bake for like 13 to 17 minutes or till golden brown. Then you'll take it out and let it cool completely before you put the other toppings on. So I'm going to get this in the oven and then I will get the toppings ready. 375. Oh, and just a note, if you get cooking spray on your floor, be careful because it's so slippery. I have a towel on there because I sprayed it and I about wiped out on the floor. So yeah, let me set my timer. We'll just set it for 13 and then we'll check it. Sorry about my voice. Okay, so for my veggie pizza, this is for the sauce. I'm going to have broccoli, orange bell pepper, shredded carrot, tomato, cucumber, green onion, oh, and bacon. I know bacon's not a veggie, but I like it on there, so I'm going to crisp up some bacon and then chop it up and put it on top. I think that's everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on chopping. Okay, I just took my crust out. It's a little darker than I would like. It's not burnt, it's just a darker golden brown. But since I spread it out so thin, I should have paid attention and kept an eye on it, which is kind of hard when I'm chasing a baby around who keeps coming in. But anyway, so now this needs to cool for 30 minutes. It needs to cool completely, and then I will put the sauce on and the veggies. But yeah, so it's not burnt by any means. It's nice and crispy. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't had veggie pizza in forever. So yeah, you have to let your crust cool for at least 30 minutes or until completely cooled. Okay, for the sauce, I have 1 block of cream cheese that I've just softened. I'm just going to smash it up a little bit. 8 ounces of sour cream. Whatever brand you like. You do. I'm just going to add in a packet of the ranch seasoning mix. This is the buttermilk ranch just because they didn't have the just regular but it doesn't matter. They have a bacon ranch. I think they have a cucumber ranch. So we're just going to mix all of these together. Use a mixer, but I'm not real worried about it. It's just like the little chunks are just sour cream because I didn't like soften it super far because I don't like, you want it to set up. So if it gets too softened, then you have to put it in the fridge and let it thicken. Just like when I make my taco dip. Okay, there's our sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to take our sauce and just scoop it onto here. Sorry, I should have brought my tripod down, but who has time for that? Okay, and you're just gonna spread your sauce across your pizza. I have cucumber, bacon, orange bell pepper, broccoli, and you want to cut them like really bite-sized. Tomatoes, so you can get like a bite of everything like when you take a bite. Some green onions, and then shredded carrot. That's just my extras. So I think first I will put maybe some bell pepper. Yeah, and then you just sprinkle your toppings all over your pizza. I'm so excited. I just like tasted the sauce and oh, it's so good. Now I will do the cucumber. So just sprinkle your cucumbers all over. I love cucumbers. Which I've never put cucumber on before, but I was looking at different recipes. I'm like, what else do I put on it? I haven't made it so long, I don't remember. And it said cucumber. I'm like, well, that'd be perfect because that's what we put in our salads. Light little sprinkling of green onion. We'll do some broccoli. I am so excited for this, you guys. We all love broccoli. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Okay, so there's the broccoli. We'll get some carrots on here. We all love carrots. Now I'm gonna put tomatoes. The bacon. Just sprinkle it across the top. Who doesn't love bacon, like on their salad? Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. I'm going to use the fine shredded cheddar cheese. And just okay, guys, I'm going in. Jay and Adri both approved. I gave them both their piece. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my bite. Yum.
Did you put peppers on mine?
What?
Did you put peppers on it? But what are the orange things?
Oh, there's orange bell peppers.
Ew. It kind of tastes a little bit spicy.
Honey, these orange peppers are not hot. There's nothing spicy on it, I promise. Yum.